Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to delete a highlight on Instagram from someone. So first of all, just go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and type Instagram right here, and you're gonna double check if there is a new updates on Instagram app. If there is, just go ahead to do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen basically, right? And I'm gonna just double check right here if there is a new update so I can demonstrate. Yeah, there isn't. So basically just double check, and I'm gonna just go ahead right here to my account on Instagram. Click on your profile icon at the below right corner right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click on the profile icon at the three bars at the top right. You're gonna be able to see it, and then scroll a little bit down right here. You're gonna be able to see all of the settings that appears right here, and basically you're gonna be able to see like a story and hide kind of a thing right here. Yeah, hide story in live. And basically by hiding the story, that means that they will not be able to see your highlight as well. So story highlights, they will not be able to have access to it. And here it says if you want to block, or if you want to hide a specific story from someone, you get to be able to actually apply those settings. Let's say for example 1 2 3 4, and just hit done. Basically they will not have access to your highlights. So basically that's it. Turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media. See you in the next one.